Hi everybody, I am Pincay, and this is my individual presentation. The name of the game is Mon Jumpers, and the team members Pincay, Mackenzie Taggart, and Scopshi. Okay, for this presentation, I will talk about each topics: a static variable and not a static variable used to array lists, enums, and difference for this, and for statement and for each, the difference for this, and in sections handings, character string class versus by string, and character data to external file, and demonstrate again on jumpers. Okay, for the first part, a static variable and non-static variables. Static variables is memory is located for this variable only once in the program. A memory is allocated for this variable and the time of loading of the class. And the static variable can access with class reference this class name point variable name. And that is the example. Class A static integer B. Okay, but the non-statics is the memory is located multiple times whenever a new object is created. A memory is located for this variable wherever an object is created. Objects can be accessed with object reference point variable name, and that is example. In the game, in this example, is the variable player is created within a static function. The player variable is declared and instantiated, allowing it to be only created once as code, because I need a once player in each game. But in the line 20, I see a no static example. I can access for this point vex time and equals vex time. Okay, what happened to arrays? Arrays and array lists and ends. Array. An array is used to store collection of data of the same data types. You can add, delete, modify arrays elements. Array list is a variable dynamically change half the data changes. An enum are collection of name constants. Once you declare enums constants, you can not change their value. Okay, for the example in the game, I have three different. The first is the array. In the array, you can see a different locations to the planets: Jupiter, Pluto, Neptune, Saturn, and the others. We have 23 different planet locations in the game. Therefore, we have used an array to be able to order each of the planets. For the array leaf, and is the different to it's the same to array, but you can use to change to the data. For example, in player is I create a array list, item list, it's equal new array list, and you use the index for this item list point at and the index point. That is example 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the end is a constant. For this game, in the item time is water, metal, land, or food, food. You can use this in the game. Okay, for each statement. We use the for statement to be able to move in array sub of locations. Start in and the start the validation. You can initiality the variable integer equals 0, and then to oops, you validate the the information. When you can use len, you collect plus all locations, and then to validate this is later than the total to locations, and then to adding this variable, and then you can print or something like that. That is the form, and the form each is a compact form of the for statement, and I have used in item inventory, and that you select the total and you use to a loop. Okay, the two statements are used to create a loop and read and arise leaves. Exception handling. Okay, for exception, an exception is an event which or during the execute of a program that disproves the normal flow of the program's instructions. Handling exception is nothing but converting system error general message into use-friendly error message. Wherever an exception occurs in the Java applications, the Java will create an object of the appropriate exception of subclass and generals system error message. The system general message are not understandable by user, so need to convert into user-friendly error message. And that is example for in the game. In do action, you can use select, you enter the third person option, and you insert different ways, but in you can when you can make a mistake, you you view this error. You must enter a valid number, a trade game, or enter Q to quit. Okay, that is an example in the game for and for the exception handling. And you use a try and catch to validate the error and display the error message. The character string versus by string. The character string, a string is a way of a quality accessing a file. A byte string access is a file by byte. A byte string is substitutable for any kind of file. However, no query appropriate for the text file. For example, if the file is using a Unicode encoding and character is represented with 2 bytes, the byte string whether this separately, and you will need to do the conversion yourself. A character string will read a 5 character by character. A character string needs to be give the file encoding word property. And other different is the character string use Unicode characters and byte string use a ASCII code. Okay, and the example in the game you can see this part. Oh no, okay, no example in the game, but in this next point to you is character data to external file, and that is the example to in the game. The character, the first part, when you create this external file, the first part is create and open a new file string for the up2, and that is the file string object. And the second, write the data to a string, and then flush all the data left in the file string, and this, and finally close the file string. Okay, that is an example in the game. So we can view the game. Okay, that is the game, the Moon Jumpers. That is the first part to the game. It's a legend to the game. And you please enter the name. For example, Eddie Pincay. Okay, and then is the welcome to the game, Eddie Pincay. We hope to have a lot of fun. Main menu. Okay, you can select letter H to get a help on how to play the game. So that is the help menu, and you can select how to, or what is the goal to the game. The goal is return to Earth safely by navigation. You wait through space, finding of dangerous aliens create, and collection resources to help to wait. That is the goal. What happened to move? Okay, the move. Move M is move to the north, E is move S is move to south, W is move west, and B is view map. Okay, quit. Okay, I need to order by island. Okay, will the astronaut be the alien? Solve the problem. What is the alien attack string on the scale 1 and 2? 1 to 5. Okay, what happened to 3? What is the player life? Is 5. Okay, calculate the solution. Alien attack minus player life. Something this. Sorry. Oh, I'm wrong. Sorry, the alien won the battle. Okay, I don't complete the solution, the problem, and the alien gain win to the battle. Okay, what happened to running? The astronaut accelerate way is 3, 2, and second. How to fast the accelerate to dangerous? 4. Who? Accelerate away from the aliens fast enough. You are safe. Okay, that is example to help menu. And the start menu, I need to complete the start menu is this: the travel, the level, gather fuel, be fuel percent, current weapon, fight island. What happened to full? What is your full? 4. Surfer harness. I think so, 16. Ooh, is no greater than 10. Okay, 5. Okay, is near. Well, try again. Okay. Okay, I will have an error for this. I don't. Okay, we try gather fuel. That is another function to this. Okay, one. What is the fruit? Three. Okay, error. Use cannot greater than this fruit. Okay, that's the game. I need to fix the all the others classes, but I like this game and I like this class. We need to learn all functions, all classes, all instance, and it's a good for me. And thanks so much for this.